All right, let's just get right into it. I need you to forget everything you think you know about dropshipping. Seriously. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a new strategy for 2026, one that's building real, profitable online businesses without needing a garage full of inventory, a giant warehouse, or a huge ad budget. Think of this as your guide to the new age of e-commerce.
But before we jump into the how, let's get real for a minute. I've got a couple of questions for you. Just a quick gut check on your financial reality right now.
No, I mean it. Really think about it for a second. What would actually happen if that paycheck just vanished? For most of us, that thought is a punch to the gut, isn't it? It's a pretty harsh reminder of how fragile a single stream of income really is.
Okay, now for the second question. And this one might be even scarier. What if, 5 years from today, you're in the exact same spot? Same job, same income, same stress, and that same old excuse of, I'll do it one day. You know, stagnation is like a silent assassin for your dreams. I can almost hear you thinking, but starting a business is so risky. And I get it, but I'm here to tell you that in a world where your job could disappear tomorrow, doing nothing, just staying put, that's the biggest gamble you can possibly take.
So, if we agree that standing still is the real risk, let's talk about the biggest myth that stops people from even trying. I guarantee you've heard this one before.
Yep, there it is. It's the ghost that haunts every online forum, the favorite line of every so-called guru who's already moved on to the next shiny thing. The story they tell is that the golden age is over, the party's done.
But here's the actual truth. Lazy dropshipping is dead. The old way of doing things? Oh yeah, that's been completely obliterated. And you know what? That is fantastic news for anyone who's willing to be smart and strategic about this. Think about it. Back in 2018, you could get away with selling some random gadget from AliExpress that took 30 days to arrive. Today, your customers can get their groceries delivered in like 10 minutes. The game has totally changed. The new way is all about your brand, your speed, and the trust you build.
So here's the bottom line. If your store just looks like a generic catalog of stuff from AliExpress, you're pretty much on life support. If you have zero brand identity, you're already a ghost. But if you are branded, automated, and fast, you're not just surviving, my friend, you are set up to thrive.
So what does one of these thriving modern dropshipping businesses actually look like? Well, the model itself is surprisingly simple. You don't need a factory, you don't need a warehouse, you don't need a huge team. You just need the right strategy. It really boils down to just 4 simple steps. 1, you create a store. 2, a customer buys something and pays you. 3, your supplier ships the products directly to them. And 4, you keep the profit. That's it. No inventory, no packing boxes, just a super lean, efficient model. And this is where it gets really exciting. Look at this example. Let's say your supplier's price for an item is 800 rupees. You sell it on your awesome branded store for, say, 4,999. That means you pocket almost 4,200 rupees in profit from a single sale before any other costs. That's the power we're talking about here. Okay, but to get those kinds of profits in 2026, you can't just throw a product online and cross your fingers. Your entire business has to be built on 4 absolutely essential pillars. These are the non-negotiables. These are the pillars that hold up a successful business today. First, branding. You've got to create a tribe around what you sell. Second, speed, giving customers a seamless experience. Third, trust, building a brand that people actually believe in. And fourth, automation, so you can work smarter, not just harder. Now listen up, because this right here is the most important pillar of them all, branding. People don't just buy products anymore. They buy identity. They're buying into a belief system, a community, a feeling. I mean, think about a brand like Nike. You're not just buying a pair of shoes. You're buying into that just do it mindset. This is the huge difference between a generic store and a real, powerful brand. Instead of just selling random home products, you create a brand around a non-toxic lifestyle. See that? Instantly, your products have a story, an identity, and you've gone from being just some random store to a trusted resource. And here's the best part. The tools to build this kind of branded, trustworthy store are literally at your fingertips. Shopify's AI can whip up a professional-looking storefront for you in minutes. It'll handle everything from your logo to product descriptions, building that crucial trust factor instantly. Then you've got tools like AutoDS that help you find reliable suppliers who ship fast, which takes care of the speed pillar. The tech is here to do all the heavy lifting for you. And when we talk about marketing, the smart money isn't on paid ads anymore. It's on organic content. Why?
Well, because it's free, it builds way more trust, and a single viral video can drive more sales than a massive ad campaign ever could. Just imagine, one simple product demo on TikTok could generate thousands in revenue overnight, all because it solved a real problem for people. Okay, let's quickly talk about the scary stuff, the legal and the financial side. The good news is, you do not need to be a lawyer or an accountant to get this started. Your first goal is simple. Prove your idea works and make your first sale. All that paperwork can wait until you're actually making money. Focus on getting that revenue first.
You know, mastering this new way of dropshipping is an absolute game changer. But what if it isn't the final destination? What if this is just step one, leading to an even bigger opportunity? What if all the skills you learn in dropshipping are the perfect foundation for the next massive wave in e-commerce, AI-driven digital products? I mean, imagine creating and selling products that have zero cost to reproduce and can be scaled infinitely. That's the future, folks, and it is a lot closer than you think. Now, go out there and build something.